Come in, my brother, I will turn the light on. Tell me, my friend, what do you see? He sees a picture on the wall of a man who looks as if he pleads with men. His eyes are lifted up to heaven, the best of books was in his hand. The law of truth was written on upon his lips, the world was at his back. There was a golden crown above the picture, above the man's head. Who is this man? Questions Christian. This man, he is one of many. He can have children and nurse them when they're born, but his work is to know and to unfold dark things on the sinners. And whereas you see the world is at his back, he's pressing on towards the prize. His crown awaits him in heaven, so that's where he's focused his eyes. This is the only guide, the Lord of heaven is authorized, all others you must shun. Then the interpreter led him to a parlor that was full of dust because it never had been swept. And he called for a man to sweep the floor, but the dust began to fly. Then he said to a woman that stood by, bring some water and sprinkle the room. Then it was swept and cleaned easily. What does this mean? Question Christian. The parlor represents the heart of a man that was never sanctified by the good news. The dust in the room is original sin, and the inward corruptions that defile the whole man. The first man that swept is the law. All the woman you saw represents the gospel. The sweeping of the law makes it worse, but the grace of the gospel made it possible to clean up the sin and corruption with pleasure. The gospel comes in with a sweet and precious influence to take the sin, conquer and subdue it.